Okay, so 17th of December 2020. Where is Bitcoin heading next? Last 24 hours, 48 hours have been one of those insane moments for Bitcoin. We can see here we're looking at the UK Great British Pound price, and the price has gone from 14,400 within less than 48 hours. It reached a peak of 17,500. So that's a substantial rise in a very short period of time. Where's it heading next? Well, that's the crystal ball. That's the great question, isn't it? There's a short term, there's a medium term, there's a long-term view. Long-term view, I'm still incredibly bullish about Bitcoin. I still think it is going to be a major disruptor for the world's financial systems. Quite where that goes is anybody's guess. 24 million Bitcoin, I think, is the maximum in circulation there will ever be. Lots of people losing Bitcoin, lots of people getting scammed out of their Bitcoin. So a lot of those Bitcoin do kind of vanish. So that's going to increase scarcity even more. So that's the positive force pushing it up. The regulators are there as a negative force pushing it down, saying, no, we don't like this thing. Let's have a closer look at the actual charts. Let's look at the hourly chart over the last couple of days, and here we can see most of this rise has been in the last 24 hours. So that daily chart is a bit misleading because a lot of that happened in the first few hours of the end of the previous day. But here we can see there is a meteoric rise. So when you look at it on a chart like this, it makes the previous chart look a bit pointless. However, if you drag it along, you can see plenty of volatility there. It's only when you come and see what happened in the last 24 hours that what happened previously kind of looks tame, but it's not. That was still pretty volatile there. But you know what has happened in the last 24 hours is insane. Now, what I would say here is look at the buy-sell wall here. There is a massive amount of selling pressure. A lot of people have got their Bitcoin under £15,000 a Bitcoin, and they are more than happy to sell at 17,000, especially when it's happened in 24 hours. So there is a very strong short-term sell pressure on Bitcoin, I would imagine. I've just sold my Bitcoin, looking to come back in a bit lower. Done very well over the last 24 hours, so I'm out at the moment and will hope to come back in again. But always be ready to change your mind if you're going to be trading something like this. The most dangerous thing to be is trying to prove your own theory and the market tells you otherwise. You need to be able to pivot and change your mind if that's the case. You'll see here as well on this sell wall there is a huge bank. If we go there at 17.2 through to 17.24, 17.250, there is a huge sell order in there. If that vanishes, then the buy wall could very easily become the overpowering wall again. So there are some whales in play here who are manipulating, that's probably too strong a word, they are encouraging the market to go in a certain direction. So yeah, really fascinating stuff. Let me know what your thoughts. Do you think Bitcoin will go up from here, down from here? What sort of time frames? It's a really fascinating one to watch. Even more fascinating if you're actually playing in the market as well. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like more news and updates on cryptocurrencies and making money in general. Subscribe, smash that like bell, and we'll catch you on the next video.